This woman's brother was murdered. He was executed, his body then dumped and lit on fire. The killer even accused of eating some of his brain. The family wanted the death penalty, but after 10 years, prosecutors quit at the literal last minute. Why? That's a secret. I'm ABC15 Chief Investigator Dave Biscobing, and we've spent months working with ProPublica to investigate the secrecy with how Maricopa County picks death penalty cases. They have a secret committee who takes secret votes, and tonight we're here to show you how that secrecy took a family's fight for justice and delayed it for years. You didn't have an open casket funeral, did you?
Couldn't. We couldn't have an open casket because we couldn't put clothes on him.
Trini Ray Lozano was murdered in 2010. At the beginning, you and your family, did you want the death penalty?
Yes, definitely. There was no question about it.
Vicky Valencia says she attended hundreds of court hearings.
I made sure to show my face at every court hearing because I wanted him to know that I was dead set on him getting the death penalty.
Big hearing, small hearing, you were there.
Everything, even when they were picking the jury.
But the case hit a major delay 5 years after the murder. It's when the alleged killer, Victor Hernandez, was first set to face trial in 2015.
So they put the brakes on the trial when we were on day 3 of jury selection. So a mistrial was declared.
This is Taylor Fox, one of Hernandez's defense attorneys. The trial stopped before it really started because the defense learned something serious.
I had no idea that there was this conflict issue that existed because no one knows who is on the Capital Review Committee.
The Capital Review Committee has helped the last 5 county attorneys decide what murder cases should be death penalty cases. Who's on it? How do they vote? For years, MCAO fought hard to keep that a secret. But during jury selection, it was discovered one of the prosecutors on the committee used to be one of Hernandez's defense attorneys.
I thought that was a clear violation.
Let's break this down to the basics. In 2010, the same year as the murder case, Victor Ted Hernandez also got charged in another criminal case. In that case, Hernandez was appointed a defense attorney named Blaine Gatto, and Gatto represented Hernandez for a few months, but then went to go work for MCAO. A few years later, Gatto got a spot on MCAO's Capital Committee, and they voted to reject a plea and keep seeking death against Hernandez. So, at the most basic level, Hernandez had a defense attorney who became a prosecutor, who then secretly voted against his former client.
I thought there is a concept that still exists called an appearance of impropriety, and I thought this was on the high end of that, such that the county attorney's office, any prosecuting agency, would just want to steer clear of this issue and just, conflict off. That would be the safest path.
And why wouldn't they? They have any other county they could come in and take the case up. It's not hard for them. It physically stays in the same spot. No one has to move. They just get a new prosecutor.
But MCAO fought to keep the case and keep information about their committee and their deliberations a secret from the defense.
Is there anybody in the courtroom right now that you believe shouldn't be here?
There's not, Your Honor.
Okay.
As the two sides argued, the court sealed key hearings.
All right, so I'll direct my bailiff to turn off the FTR at this time.
The fight got all the way to Arizona's Supreme Court.
The court will now hear argument in the case Victor Ted Hernandez,
where at least some of the info was made public.
And Mr. Gadao, I think it's conceded, was one of the 9 votes that made it as part of that process, correct?
Yes.
MCAO declined to comment further on what happened with Gadao. In the end, the courts decided what happened was not enough to remove MCAO from the case. The whole process delaying the trial for 4 years. And here's the kicker. As we told you earlier in the series, the top MCAO official just told us who sits on the Capital Committee, something prosecutors fought so hard for so long to keep a secret. How does it make you feel now knowing you had to wait all those extra years?
Worse than I did before.
Vicky says, at the time,
I think there's a history here that you should be aware of.
Prosecutors downplayed what was happening. It went to the state Supreme Court. I mean, it was
Yeah.
a big deal.
Yeah.
Was it ever described to you like that?
No.
Did you know it went to the
how I
Supreme?
found out?
Yeah.
I looked it up.
Because now we are going to commence a trial.
Finally, 9 years after the murder, trial started for real in 2019. The death penalty still on the table, and it still was for all 32 days of trial.
And I would ask, ladies and gentlemen, that you find him guilty as such.
But after closing arguments with the jury deliberating, MCAO withdrew its intent to seek death. Hernandez was convicted and sentenced to life. So do you feel like you've been denied justice?
Yeah.
MCAO does not have to explain their decision. This is their public filing. It's a single sentence saying they're withdrawing death. In our investigation, we pulled files for hundreds of death cases going back 20 years. Only 13% have ended in a death sentence. And in more than 70%, prosecutors withdrew death or accepted a plea.
That if we would have been explained more of why it was that they were taking it off the table, we probably wouldn't have done it.
In private, Vicky says prosecutors worked to convince the family it was best for her brother's young children. So now looking back, you kind of regretting that decision.
Oh yeah, definitely. The death penalty was the thing that we wanted most because we thought it was going to give us justice. It's fighting as hard as we did for as long as we did and not getting what we wanted out of it is the problem.
There were other problems in the case we haven't told you yet.
All rise. It's the order we all receive when a judge enters the courtroom. It's to show respect and honor, and it's why we call this investigation dishonorable.
We previously exposed the judge, Erin Otis, was under judicial investigation. She and her staff shared jokes and memes about defendants, their families, attorneys, victims, jurors, and witnesses. It happened in a lot of cases, including the Hernandez case. Also during the case, emails and texts show Judge Otis was talking with MCAO directly about taking a job in the office. In fact, just 2 months after sentencing Hernandez, MCAO hired Otis as a death penalty prosecutor.
What I did was I informed her of what the new salary structure was because
you didn't. That's not what the text message shows. You discuss specific jobs. Bureau chief or capital, how do those sound to you? That's your text message.
That's County Attorney Rachel Mitchell a few years ago. She was directly involved in those job talks with Otis. Mitchell declined to comment further for this story.
No, I don't feel like anything was wrong in that.
Records show Otis was disciplined by the state bar. She's now in good standing, but her conduct is being raised by Hernandez's attorneys on appeal.
We fought to get the death penalty and then to be told at the end that it's not going to happen because
that all that was for nothing, essentially.
All of it. Every last bit of it.
First, we should be clear that almost the entire Hernandez case happened under former county attorney Bill Montgomery. He declined to be interviewed for this project because he now sits on the state Supreme Court. Through a spokesperson, he said it would be inappropriate to comment given his current service as a justice. As for MCAO, right now the current county attorney declined to be interviewed, and the office says they have no further comment on the case. I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.